Good morning, first graders. Today we are on page 231 of your student journal, and we are on Unit 11, Lesson 5. So we are going to be continuing learning about shapes, but today we're going to begin actually building them or drawing them. So our objective or our goal today is I will build flat shapes. And when they say build, we're actually talking about we're going to draw. So I'm going to write the word draw under there. So we're going to draw shapes. So here are our shapes that we're working with: a trapezoid, a hexagon, a triangle, and a rectangle. Now today they're going to help us by showing it to us, and then we're just going to have to try and duplicate or copy what they show us. So I'm going to show you my first problem. And my first problem looks like this. They ask me to build a trapezoid and a hexagon. And then they show me what they look like. So they actually show them to me today. So what do I see? It says build a trapezoid and a hexagon. So when I see a trapezoid, I see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And I see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Okay, so I'm going to draw my sides. I notice that the two sides on the actual outsides go up a little bit inwards, and then I have this side. Okay, a hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So when I draw my hexagon, I'm going to do my very best. I like to draw my top and my bottom first, and I try and make the top and bottom sides kind of line up with each other. And then what I do is I kind of make sideways V's to make them connect. So now I've drawn my 6-sided, 6 vertice closed hexagon. Okay, here's my next problem. It says to draw a circle and a rectangle. Okay, so what I notice about my circle is it actually doesn't have any sides, and it has no vertices or points. So I'm just going to do the best I can and draw one. Okay, my rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. The neat thing about my rectangle is it also has these very special angles in the center where they're these perfect squares. So I'm going to do my best to make sure I draw those. So I just drew my 4-sided, 4 vertice rectangle. Okay, so boys and girls, we're just going to use their examples to help us today. So we're going to get started on our first one together. It says it's on page 232, and it says you're going to build a hexagon and a trapezoid. So just like I did, I want you to count how many sides you need to make sure it has and count how many vertices. So remember, our hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. Okay, so we're not tracing this one. We actually have to try and draw our own. So remember, when I did mine, I said I like to draw my top and my bottom side first. And see how I like to have them line up? And then that's 2 sides. So I'm going to add over here kind of a sideways V and a sideways V over here. And then now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices or points. Okay, to do our trapezoid, we're going to do the same. Our trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 vertices. And I think I'm going to draw our bottom side first. And then notice our top side is shorter. So our top side is shorter, and then we can connect them. I think that's the easiest way to draw a trapezoid. Okay, down here it asks us to build a triangle and build a square. So a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. So we can draw them any way we would like to make sure we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, the thing about what makes a square special is it does have 4 sides and it does have 4 vertices. But what makes a square very special is that it has 4 equal sides. All the sides are the same length. So when I draw mine, I'm going to try really hard to make my squares the same length. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that was a really quick lesson. Today you're just practicing drawing them, and they just want you to practice drawing some more by yourself. Okay, have a great day.